Please like, share, and subscribe if you want to watch more videos from us. Thanks for watching.
Health issues. Vocabulary.
Cold. I caught a cold. Cold. I caught a cold. Fever. She has a high temperature. She has a fever. Fever. She has a high temperature. She has a fever. Headache. He has a pounding headache. Headache. He has a pounding headache. Cough. They are coughing a lot. Cough. They are coughing a lot. Sore throat. I have a sore throat. Sore throat. I have a sore throat. Stomachache. He has a stomachache and feels nauseous. Stomachache. He has a stomachache and feels nauseous. Toothache. She has a terrible toothache. Toothache. She has a terrible toothache. Flu. I have the flu and I feel weak. Flu. I have the flu and I feel weak. Allergy. He has an allergy and his eyes are itchy. Allergy. He has an allergy and his eyes are itchy. Rash. She developed a red rash on her skin. Rash. She developed a red rash on her skin. Earache. I have a sharp pain in my ear. Earache. I have a sharp pain in my ear. Nausea. He feels queasy and has a constant urge to vomit. Nausea. He feels queasy and has a constant urge to vomit. Diarrhea. She has diarrhea and needs to go to the bathroom frequently. Diarrhea. She has diarrhea and needs to go to the bathroom frequently. Vomiting. They are throwing up repeatedly. Vomiting. They are throwing up repeatedly. Sprain. I accidentally twisted my ankle and sprained it. Sprain. I accidentally twisted my ankle and sprained it. Bruise. She has a big bruise on her arm. Bruise. She has a big bruise on her arm. Asthma. He has asthma and uses an inhaler. Asthma. He has asthma and uses an inhaler. Migraine. She suffers from migraines and experiences severe headaches. Migraine. She suffers from migraines and experiences severe headaches.
Sinusitis. I have sinusitis and my face feels congested. Sinusitis. I have sinusitis and my face feels congested.
Insomnia. He struggles with insomnia and has difficulty sleeping. Insomnia. He struggles with insomnia and has difficulty sleeping.